Good morning. We're here at the LSU AgCenter Botanic Gardens in the Children's Garden, and today we're going to demonstrate how to plant onion sets. These onion sets were seeded probably in early September to mid-October, and now we have nice, thin onion transplants. Our onion transplants or sets are very important for planting in December. In Louisiana, we can plant 12 months out of the year, so this is the perfect time to put onions in your garden. When you're choosing your sets, make sure you choose sets with very thin leaves at the top. The thinner the better, because when our cold temperatures set in January and February, the thicker or the older this onion transplant is, the more likely it is to bolt. And if it bolts or makes flowers, then it won't produce you a large onion. When you're planting your onion sets, simply dig a hole into the garden, put your set into it, and firm the soil around it. You're going to plant your onion sets about 4 to 6 inches apart. The further you get them apart, the larger your bulbs will be able to form, up to a limit, of course. Now, if we're going to plant a second row next to it, we'd want to go at an alternate. So we want to go again about 4 to 6 inches apart and start our next set, alternating how our sets are going into our garden. These bulbs will be ready in about 9 months for you to enjoy. For Get It Growing, I'm Kiki Fontenot with the LSU AgCenter.